That gets under the glove of Santana into the right field corner. Coghlan on his way to third. Schwarber to second. Gary Jones is going to send Coghlan. Schwarber all the way to third. And the Cubs are on the board.
They gave him a hit.
How about that?
No double in the gap. He'll have to settle for a triple down the line. Yeah, I think. Oh my.
Lined into right and a base hit. Coghlan around third. The throw to the plate cut off. Schwarber's 2 for 2.
Right, you get one chance to make a first impression, and he's making one fine first impression. U of I. Oh my.
Base hit.
Line drive machine.
3 hits.
Look at, they're getting blasé. They're not even standing anymore.
Looks good, doesn't it?
Oh my.
He's going to end up with an infield hit. Schwarber's on. He's 4 out of 5.